Hello, everyone. Liev Sosa here. I hope you're having a great day. Are you having food cravings? You are not alone. Definitely not. In this video, we're going to review the reasons why you crave food like a drug, and that may be affecting your body weight, your self image, and your health. In functional nutrition, we learned that there are four major root causes for food cravings. That is microbial, emotional, nutritional or physical, and genetic. So let's start with the first one, microbes. So we have 4.5 pounds of microbes in our large intestine, and those bugs must be in balance. The good or favorable bugs must be 85%, and the bad bugs up to 15%. When the bad bacteria and yeast overgrow, they communicate with your brain and they make you want to eat what they eat. And those bugs, they happen to extract a lot of energy from the food and make you hungry. It's like they control your behavior and you cannot control it yourself. How can you solve this problem? Well, you will have to eliminate those bad bugs and bring on the good ones to reestablish that balance. For targeted treatment, you can get tested to confirm if you have a microbial imbalance and what are they, and changing the composition of the bacteria in your gut along with other interventions can make it so that you free yourself from those cravings that are making you gain weight. Let's see the next factor, and that is emotions. Think of a newborn. When we are born, the first and only thing that can soothe us is feeding. Eating is connection, and it is a very emotional and intimate act that we perform every day and very often in gatherings with family and friends. When we eat together, we release oxytocin and serotonin, and we experience soothing and well being. So, when we are in pain, like emotional pain, and we're not feeling our best, we can develop the habit to soothe ourselves with food, and that can act like a drug as well. Some people identify themselves as emotional eaters, and if emotions are not addressed, they can be stuck in a vicious circle that can end up piling up a lot of excess weight. Or that may also be the reason why we may not be able to lose weight. So, the third factor is nutritional or physical. And that happens when your body is missing certain nutrients. So, it gives signals to your brain that you should eat a certain food that contains a certain mineral or vitamin that you may be lacking. Iron deficiency, for example, is a very common disorder that can give you strange appetites for unusual food items that may not be part of your regular diet. Did you know that insulin resistance creates an artificial glucose deficiency inside the cell that can make you hungry eternally? Hungry, tired, and like dizzy sometimes. So there are ways to break those toxic cycles with nutritional interventions and supporting you with the right nutrients to restore balance. And the last factor is genetic. So there is a hunger hormone called ghrelin. Grrr. So ghrelin actually is what makes us hungry and is linked to insulin. And we also have another hormone that is related to, tells your brain that you have had enough. And the name of that hormone is leptin with the P. And we have to make the difference with lectin with the C, which is a protein. So if we have our leptin and ghrelin system that is not working properly, and that is the system in charge to let you know that you have had enough to eat, well, that dysfunction causes you to have increased appetite. So when you are aware of that fact and the consequences on your body composition, so we help you feel empowered. And when it's time to eat, you will make smart choices and you will be able to tell if you are really having hunger or if it is a false alarm. So you will be more empowered to overcome those cravings and you will feel good about yourself. So that is the way that we like to work with you. What happens is that when we are craving foods, we are receiving signals that we are not understanding. And that is the body language that we will help you understand when you work with us. Usually, there's more than one of those factors that are interacting at the same time. And I also want to send you a very personal message. I want to tell you that you are not bad for eating those foods. What happens is that you often feel bad after eating those foods, and that is the last thing that stays with you and is not good for your self image. We can help you eliminate guilt and implement a mindful way of eating so that you feel in control, be flexible, and not feel deprived all the time or feeling that you need something like a fix. If you want to control your body weight, understand how your body works, and adapt so that you feel comfortable in your body and mind, here we are. If you want to get rid of those cravings and be in control of your biology, click the link below and I will see you in our discovery call. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.